Then we're gonna insert it there in that John Deere D130. So now before we put it further in, let's put the spring back on.
So goes under all
under here.
Yeah.
This one can swing. And then
Into that slot over
under
there.
here.
Yeah, see that slot?
Yep.
That one? Yep. Okay. Now this here goes how's it go? Like
there.
that.
Yep.
And now you got to put that weird clip.
Gonna
Which I
put
think
that
is this one.
weird clip. Okay.
Maybe it's this one, I don't know.
Yep, this one.
Yeah.
Gonna put this one this way. Okay. Alright. That's it.
Okay.
And then we can push it
Yeah, we can.
in.
Put this back.
Okay.
Just let it down. Okay.
Okay.
Lift it up.
Yep. Lift it us up. More. Okay. Push a little bit in. Okay. That's it. And then we're gonna put the clip back in. Okay. So we need to do the other side. Okay. And then right there. Okay.
Is it?
All right. Yep. Let's put the clip in. Okay. And then now the front.
The front one, there's the
What?
that other bar, that other lever. That other bar that's the other
Ah, this lever.
goes up to the front one. Can you see it?
Wait. This lever.
You see it?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yep. Wait. You
This
need
way?
to pull it this way. Okay.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Now what do you put in there?
Clip.
Oh, sorry.
I
Which clips are they? Are they like this one with a washer?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this thing out first. Okay. Let's put the washer in.
Now what are these?
Oops.
No idea. Oh. Ah!
What?
This keep going, you blew it.
I blew it. Okay. And then let's do the other side.
Now that you
And now let's put this other side here.
that lift.
Wait. No need to lift.
Okay.
And then let's put the washer. And the clip. Okay. And then,
Alright.
how about
Now we're
this?
going to put the front.
The front thing.
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Okay, let's get the bag.
That plate that's hanging down, see that
Okay,
black plate?
let's fit it in here.
Yeah.
Alright.
And it came this way then, didn't it? Or didn't it?
It came this.
And at the bottom hole,
Yep.
There's
It's the
a-
bottom hole here. You need to lift the plate,
the deck.
the deck.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
bottom hole.
Oh, wait a minute. Make sure the belt.
The belt.
Oh no, it's all right. I thought the belt.
Do we need to put the belt first before we...
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I think so. Put that thing over there.
Or, okay.
That should have a washer, eh?
Then
I know it didn't. Did it? Did it
put
have a
the
washer?
clip here. I don't know. We are at the other side, so let's put the clip in. Okay. And now the belt.
Right.
Let's feed the belt.
Oh, now. Bloody.
So we need, we need to put this belt in.
I'm just.
That guide like that. So put this one in there. Then let's go in the other side. Let's see if we can fit it through. Oh my god. Okay, here. So let's put it up here. Up here. Okay, so I think I got it.
Oh, you got it.
Yep.
Alright.
So now the final test. Let's put this one.
Now that comes around. Oh, do you know where that comes from?
Nah. Or just let it leave hanging for a while.
Oh, so you got that belt in. Okay, I can stop this
Okay,
then.
wait there. Okay, let's see if you screwed it up.
Alright.
You can have a test run, see if you screwed up the thing. This wire will just snap in there. We don't need to worry about that because it's already in there. For now, let's have a test.
What's happening?
What you did.
Oh, there's something not right.
Something not right. Look good to me.
Right. Yeah, it'll be wrong. Now it can't go right up.
Oh, maybe
What?
we need to push this further inside.
Ah, that's what I said. Is it seated? I can't see it from
Yeah.
here. Yeah, that's what it is.
So we need to, you
So-
need to push this one in.
No, you need to undo it down the bottom,
Undo it.
take that thing out,
Okay.
and feed it right through.
Wait there. Let's remove this back. Okay.
Now take it out.
Okay.
Now,
Now.
put that thing through, right through,
Right through. Okay.
and that's right. You see?
Ah, okay.
It goes this way. That's what I said. I'm
Sure.
sure it goes this side.
All right. So my mistake. Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Now let's put this the other side. Okay. So let's do
Another
the
go.
test run again.
Better?
Is it better? Okay. Watch for more mistake. Sounds good. Yeah.
Right, now what we're
This
going to
is
do...
the only thing that we need to tie in this chassis. Just snap it this one. Snap it here. Put this one here. Let's get a tie wrap. Put it there. Okay, just put some here, then you can tighten it up when you're ready. And that's it.